you need to be able to catch your weight and feel very light at this position here. You need to feel the weight 50-50 from both sides. And when you decide to move off your starting position, you push with the back foot and you land with the front foot. Just like this. When you go back, you push with the front foot and you land with the back foot. Just like this. Now, when we are facing an opponent, the guy is always moving. Regardless of where you are in the fight, he's always moving as well. It's not like the back. So what that means is, if your front lead foot is not in position, you will be out of position. So we always need to follow our opponent. Whether he's to the left or to the right, we always need to make sure our lead foot is always aligned following the opponent. So if I'm cutting to my left, my lead foot comes up, positions myself in the position that I want to land in without wasting time. So this is how it would look if I waste time. I would land here first, turn the body, and then turn the foot. But if I want to save time, boom, done. I prepared my foot, I turned my ankle out, and I landed. Check this. I lift up, I turn my heel out, and I land in position. And it's the same thing to the right. See that?